Hey, bro, you want to shoot some?
Hell yeah. I already seen that, bro.
I got a new one.
Damn!
Okay, so now I'm scared. If you throw me inside, I'm gonna pull it.
When I popped off, then your girl gave me just a little.
Check this out. I put in $20, you put in $20, that's $40. I buy that for $30. You make $10, I make $10.
Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. So be wise and keep on reading the signs on my body.
Dad, can you come crack my back?
Yeah, right there.
Oh my God! Please, what you doing, you fucking asshole? Please, are you alright, mate?
Someone recommended that I do Rap God faster, but Rap God's not actually that fast. I'll try it at 1.25 and see if I can go past that. It should be 4 minutes and 26 seconds is when it starts, so I'm just gonna...
So hey, Jay gets straight to the radio station the very next day. Hey, Fab, I'm gonna kill you. Lyrics coming at you with supersonic speed.
Some of them in the middle, I'm used to now doing what I gotta do to get it to the I'm simply doing in a bit of an minute, represent anything you say, so shading off from me to Rudy. I'm there, sending more than ever demonstrating, gotta get a mother loving, I need to feel like a sabotating, never fading, another haters, if I ever waiting for the day to fellow, they said every day, cause I know the way to get them motivated, I make a living in music, you make elevated music. Oh, he's too mainstream, that's what they do when they get to the juice.
Hey, Spencer. Yeah. Beatbox challenge. Okay. Alright? Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats. Alright.